You're looking for a Docker management tool, then you may have stumbled upon a few options and you might be sitting on the fence. Let me clear your head. Today we're going to have a look at Coolify. We're also going to have a look at Portainer. And we are going to figure out what they actually offer and how they can benefit you. So stick close, grab your cup of coffee and a notepad, and let's get into it. Okay, so having a look at Coolify, which is a self-hosted platform as a service that simplifies resource management. Its clean dashboard provides an intuitive interface for deploying as well as managing web applications. The platform is also designed to work seamlessly with both Docker-based and traditional web applications, and this flexibility allows developers to leverage the benefits of containerization while still supporting legacy systems. By abstracting away the complexities of infrastructure management, Coolify empowers teams to focus on more building great products rather than managing servers. The PaaS handlers tasks like SSL and TLS configuration, load balancing, and even scaling frees up developers to be more productive. It has a powerful API configuration. It also has CI/CD integration and role-based access. This means you can collaborate effectively with admins, developers, and even viewer permission tiers, which allows everybody to have the access that they need. It is a one-click application, so you can actually deploy WordPress, Ghost blogs, and even plausible analytics with minimal configuration. You can automatically deploy applications from code repositories with full CI/CD support, and you can run various database services through a consistent user-friendly interface. So let's look at Portainer. It has universal container management capabilities. It offers a unified web user interface for managing containers across platforms. It handles Docker, Docker Swarm, and Kubernetes from one central location. You can deploy in cloud, on-premises, or even hybrid environments with equal ease. You can deploy, scale, monitor, and also configure container settings through an intuitive interface. You can also work across cloud services, local deployments, and also hybrid infrastructures. You can see over here, you can pull and push container images from Docker, Hub, or even custom repositories. You can manage image versions as well and tags through the very easy to use user interface. You can also create and configure container networks with visual tools. You can connect containers across environments seamlessly. You can manage persistent storage for containers through a unified interface, and you can also monitor volume usage as well as performance metrics quickly and easily. Let's have a look at some of their security and access controls. So they do offer role-based access. You can assign permissions based on team roles and responsibilities. You can control who can deploy, modify, or even view containers. You can integrate with LDAP, OA, or OAuth, and other enterprise systems. It also implements two-factor authentication for additional security layers, and you can track all container actions for compliance requirements. This allows you to maintain detailed logs of user activities. So, ladies and gentlemen, as you can see, there is a ton of options out there. There really, really are. And to really go and dig deep and find out which one works for you is the best advice that I can give you. Go ahead, try them, put them to real use, and see what actually works. Now, if this really was helpful, you can drop us a like to show your support, and we'll see you next time.